Jetting a well. When you need irrigation, you jet a well. That's the eject line. Squirting all that stuff out from down deep. Good times. So we are just washing the hole out. We got down there pretty good, like about 24 feet. Yeah, that worked really well. And we're just cleaning the hole right now, just getting the sand washed out of the way. And we're gonna slide a little pipe down in the hole, and we're gonna put a little hand pump on top of it, and we're gonna see what happens. But I think we've done good. They are exfoliating with this wonderful sand that we have found. This is, talk about bonding right here. This is love and trust like I've never seen before. There she is. That's how we do it. Pumping water fresh out the ground. Alright, there we are. It's like 25 by 80. It's loaded with goodies. Just loaded. Keegan showed up.
What's up, guys?
Big time. Shoveled a bazillion yards of mulch. The muscle. My boy Mike coming through. Awesome customers. Amazing friends. We get all kinds of goodies. All kinds of cold hardy stuff. Bananas are in place, all kinds of yummies. Everything's edible. And here's the avocados, and we kind of transition into more of the cold sensitive stuff. We planted a little more densely. There's a mango right there, a tamarind over there, lychee, butterscotch sapodilla, star fruit. So we're going to use like the lemon cattleya, Barbados cherry, Calycina, the Savannah cherry. We use them as just some dense cover in the middle here. And the bananas will help. And, a whole wall of Tithonia is the entire back. It was just going to be a wall. All the edible hibiscuses, and there's a little Everglades tomato, a yerba mate, lemongrass, all kinds of edible greens, and sweet potatoes, plum, and loquat, and my boys. And yeah, this one's gonna be really nice. I can't wait to see this in 6 months. These people are down to just jump in. We dug the well. That was a fun project. So this is done, son. Thanks to these guys. Knocked it out for me. Boom. The crew killing it. Nice job. I can't wait to get a video of this in 6 months. It's gonna look so awesome. All right, bro. Let's see you later. We are back here at the Lucy job where we did this install about a month ago. I had to pop back here and drop a couple extra trees in. This peach needed to get put in. We didn't have them put in last time. There's all the goodies. And we're already like about a month, I think, into it. I think they're already at salad collection level here. Got nice Suriname spinach really took. Kitooks and longevities, and lots of good tropical greens and stuff is coming up really well. All the trees are showing new active growth. Really nice looking setup here. June plums covered in fruit already. The avocados are all popping, new flush. Bananas are all, everything's just looking fantastic. I mean, what a backdrop for this. Right on the lake. It's just killer. And these two are just animals. Jumped in here, did the whole thing with me. And Mr. Jason over here, let's get some brilliance. Tell me what you did, man.
Well, I got a good pump for the well, and the irrigation's working from the well.
We were having some issues with the other smaller pump that wasn't quite getting it done. And then we jetted this. You know, I have the videos and stuff of, I'm sure you guys will see them behind this. I'm not thinking about what I already have in the bank of videos and stuff, but this is what he hooked up That's the well we jetted in right there. Nice little pump. So what did this pump cost? 180 bucks. Plus, I don't know, $100, $200 worth of plumbing stuff and check valves and stuff just to make it happen. But I mean, he's rigged this all up. A day or two of watching us do this and he was ready to rumble. So this is going to be a successful food for us, because the people that are working this property, he's working his yard, Casey's working the yard. This is how it needs to be. Ingenuity, making it happen. You said it. The other why you did it, I was watching that water bill, and it was about, look at it, from his phone, lit it up. So we're here on this whole plot. This is 80 by 25, plus the head that's over there watering in the bamboos, and they reach far, far beyond the 80 by 25. So lots of room for expansion, and it's getting it done. And with the rainy season coming now, you're probably going to shut that off for 6 months, which is really cool. But this is awesome. This is the first thing we talked about when we set this whole project up, was how do we deal with this? How do we not be on city water? That was what we were looking at. And this was just I just suggested it. Well, I want to turn around camera. It's not doing it. I'm like, I've never done it before successfully, but I kind of know how to do it. So we just went after it.
And you do know how.
I do. And you know how to make it work.
Yep.
So we got to teach each other some stuff on how to make this system happen. That is super cool. Off the city water, it's better water. It's pulling really right out of the lake. So there's all kinds of benefits going to come out of this. And it's doing a fantastic job, obviously. Everything looks amazing. There's new growth on every single thing we put in. Yeah, this is going to be so killer. I can't wait for the 6-month video. It's going to be wild. So this is really neat to come back in a month and just see like what you guys have done. Taking complete control of it.
We're going to keep at it.
It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Neat. And the bamboos are looking great. They got some squashes already growing here in the raised beds. Looking great. They got a little butternut in there. They got some yellow squashes. Oh, there's another nice one in there. Marigolds planted all around. Peppers. Yeah, they're serious. Casey's serious about this. You out here every day, aren't you?
Oh yeah,
every day.
morning.
Every day.
It's my peaceful spot.
That's so cool. These kids get to grow up. They help plant the stuff.
And she comes now because she has gone through so many times, and she just pick leaves and start eating them now. It's like her normal thing.
Yes. And that's what we're trying to do. It's exactly like when these trees are huge. Think what trees do in 10 years is crazy.
Yeah.
They're going to be, 10, 12, 14, 16 and eating off massive mature trees. Yeah. It's like, it's going to be such a cool grove. I'm so excited to see this one develop. I'm going to probably cook this video up now. I'm pretty happy with all the progress, especially the well. I'm blown away by the well. That's so cool. Yeah. He's a genius. That is awesome. I would expect nothing less from a man who uses his brain to make his money.
I was impressed.
He's a beast. He's a beast. He's quiet, but man, he gets it done, doesn't he? Yeah. It's awesome. He's a professional poker player. If you guys are wondering why he uses his brain. He reads people. He's definitely a thinking man. So not surprising at all that he made that happen with no knowledge of plumbing or no knowledge, like no construction knowledge at all. Just watching us and playing with this stuff as we installed it. That's it. So this is going to be a successful forest because these are going to be some active gardeners.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, if you guys want to have a really nice food forest, do this. Do what they're doing.
Yeah.
Get in here and make it happen. Make it pretty. Awesome, guys. Signing off from the Lucy residence in beautiful Deltona, Florida, on this gorgeous lake. What's about to be the most beautiful grove in Deltona. Later.